Life isn't easy. Everybody's carrying something, whether they talk about it or not. We all have struggles, moments we get stuck, moments we don't feel like ourselves. That's just being human. But here's what I've learned. Nothing changes unless you start. There's no perfect time, there's no clear path. You just begin right where you are. And the reason I share these videos is simple. I want people to remember they're allowed to want more. They're allowed to change things they're not happy with. They're allowed to start something, a journey, a business, a goal, and go after it little by little, step by step. Because if you want something bad enough, you keep working toward it. Some days will feel slow, some days will feel heavy, but that's normal. What matters is you don't quit. And when you finally get there, when you look back at everything you pushed through, you're not going to regret any of it. You're just going to be proud you started. So whatever it's been on your heart, start. Start small, start unsure, start imperfect, just start. And the thing is, you don't have to have it all figured out. Most people don't. You just have to learn as you go. You adjust, you grow, you find your strengths in the middle of the mess. What matters is that you're moving towards something that matters to you. Because every little step, even the ones that feel pointless, they stack up. They change you. They build something real. And one day you'll look back and realize the only difference between the life you wanted and the life you have was that moment you decided to begin. So keep going, keep trying, keep showing up in whatever way you can. Because your future self is going to thank you for the steps you're taking right now.